Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Chemical engineering, how do you utilize your knowledge of chemical engineering as a district magistrate?
So that depends of what type of district problems that we have. Like for few of the problems can be, like for example, the Namami Gange project. So in this river cleaning, there can be use of chemical technology. That for example,
if you want, you can lower down your mask.
Okay. So for example, in the sewage treatment plant, so there can be different application of chemical engineering. For example, the fluid dynamics can be used to model the like the sludge and all. And secondly, in controlling the pollution level. So in that, scrubbers and adsorption technology have been used. So these things can be applied to this thing.
It is found that in Uttar Pradesh, I know of, I come from the same place,
Yes,
there is a problem of industries throwing their effluents, chemical effluents into the rivers and lakes and other. It's creating sort of problem in farming also.
Yes, sir, it is a major
Toxic
problem.
effect, and crops are being destroyed year after year, and the soil also becomes infertile after some time.
Yes.
So what will you do about to control this problem as a chemical engineer?
So firstly, we have to like enforce in the spirits the law that prohibits such an open throwing away of the chemicals and the pesticide and the effluents from the industries into the like the dumping on the ground or releasing into the river water. So that we has to do. And secondly, we can modify and a more efficient sewage treatment plant in which these effluents can be like used, can be and better off. There is a technology from which we can use these pesticides and all, and just compress it, and this can be made to like in the agriculture fertilizers. These can also be made from this if the proper technology is used.